CK720 mechanical keyboard is coolermaster's first model which targets keyboard enthusiasts. This is a compact, hot swappable, durable and mod-friendly 65% keyboard that keeps some of the vital dedicated keys such as the arrow keys but maintains a small footprint on your desk. You can easily fit this keyboard into your backpack if you want to bring it to the office or LAN parties if those are still a thing. CK720 is a very simple, good-looking and well-built keyboard whose parts are customizable and replaceable. Customization is a breeze with an included keycap puller and extra parts for experimenting, making it also ideal for newcomers into the field of personalized peripherals. Looking for affordable Windows or Office keys? Look no further, I got you covered. Head over to scdkey.com, pick your Windows edition, use my discount code LE25 to get a 25% on any Windows or Office products. Once you complete your order, after a few seconds you will receive your code. In Windows, go to Settings. There should be an Activate Windows prompt at the bottom. Click that, enter your code and wait for Windows to finish activation. To check the activation status, use the command prompt with the command slmgr.vbs/xpr and you should receive a notification that the machine is permanently activated. Once again, use code LE25 at scdkey.com. As I said, it is hot swappable, meaning that you can pull out the existing switches with a switch puller and replace them with other switches without the need for soldering. It also comes with a few extra switches so you can try and feel how they make a difference in typing experience. But for some super strange reasons, this keyboard says on the box it has linear Kailh red boxed V2 switches, but mine came with Cherry MX brown switches and literally 2 or 3 of these red switches scattered here and there on the keyboard. Box was unopened, sealed, I was the first one to open it, so this is some super strange mix-up in the factory. Nonetheless, these are great switches, so I have no worries, and as usual it's up to you to make it personal with other switches anyway. Whether you choose Gateron, Cherry, Alpacas or maybe some Boba switches, coolermaster got you covered. The CK720 comes with Kailh boxed V2 switches, red, white or brown, which are known for their smoothness and sound. And that is not all. In addition, they added 8 extra Cherry MX green switches on the side for that heavy clicky feeling, so you can try it out. This keyboard is the first one to utilize their new and improved purple stabilizers. They are pre-lubed for smoother travel and also optimized for minimal rattle. There are also 2 separate silicone dampening pads, one on the PCB and one on the bottom cover, to dampen the sound and also absorb the force of the keystrokes. If you tend to get CK720 in US or UK layout, you can get PBT double shot keycaps in your kit. These are available in white or black color sets. This unit here is with the space gray and silver white colors. Multimedia keys are available through the FN, aka the function key, and it has a dedicated key for switching between Windows and macOS layouts. What I really like with this keyboard is the fact that it has plenty of shortcuts. Almost every key has some alternate function that you can access by holding down the function key and then hitting the respective key. The coolermaster calls this feature its innovative on-the-fly system. While you play your favorite game, you can easily adjust the per key backlighting, switch light modes, or even record macros with a few key presses, all without using Master Plus software. This keyboard is built to last. Rugged design with aluminum top plate that is easily removable for customization or easy maintenance. The lever to remove the top plate is located underneath the dongle cover. Just pull the lever towards the front of the keyboard to loosen the top plate for removal. In case you accidentally press the lever or decide not to remove it, place your thumbs on the left and right side of the keyboard top plate and gently press it inside. On the top right corner you can find the rotary knob. The rotary knob or rotary encoder is a 3-way precision dial which enables you to adjust the volume, cycle through color modes, increase or decrease brightness and access macros. What you can do with its default bindings I will list on the screen. On the bottom you can find a 2-step kickstand which improves the ergonomics by letting you control the angle of the keyboard adjustment to reduce wrist strain. The kickstand is adjustable from 5 degrees, 8 and 10 degrees. The customization is not ending here. Although this unit comes with a USB Type-C to A detachable cable, you can switch it out to your favorite coiled cable as well. Coolermaster also sells braided coiled cables, PBT keycaps and colored aluminum top plates, so you can customize this keyboard even further. It also has 1000 Hz polling rate and a 1 millisecond response time, which makes it incredible for gaming as well. It's worth mentioning that this keyboard works natively with Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5 for those console owners who prefer to use keyboard and mice to play. The keyboard dimensions are 334 by 118 by 37 mm and it weighs around 950 grams. The price tag is about on par with many enthusiast mechanical keyboards in its class. It will set you back $115. Take a listen how it sounds with Cherry MX brown switches. Unfortunately, I can't show you how it sounds with Kale boxed V2 red switches since it did not come with them because of the mixed up. I believe the sound would be slightly muted with them and there would not be a tactile bump since those switches are linear, but here, take a listen for yourself how it sounds. To sum up my experience with it, let's put it like this. It has great quality with aluminum top, keycaps are excellent for stock keyboard. If you're familiar with TKL keyboards or 75% keyboards, 65% layout could be an ideal mix between 60% layout, which almost always sacrifices the arrow keys, and the 75% layout adds that function row up top, but hey, with 65% you get the arrow keys and those most used keys such as home and page up and page down. It really does not take much space on your desk and in return it looks really sleek in any setup thanks to the aluminum top plate that gives it more expansive look. So thanks for watching guys, sub to the channel for more future videos, like and share this video and I'll see you in the next one.